It is Pro out here rocking it. So we're just gonna do a quick review of the Nerf AccuStrike Alpha. It's like it used to be kind of expensive, but now it's kind of cheap because of the modulus regulator. And then now, so it's basically like a rifle and a sniper, because like my friend, he just holds it like this, and then you're supposed to hold it like this. But if you want to do it like a rifle, you just go like this and you keep on going like that. So this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And it comes with some 5 AccuStrike darts. And that is it. On to this guy's video. Okay, this is my friend. He has the Nerf Rival Apollo. It holds 7 Rival darts. Yep, 7 Rivals. Comes with a really cool mag. And it has a rail right here, which you could put a scope, yeah, it's kind of creepy. Of the Nerf AccuStrike Alpha Hawk. It is pretty standard, really good. It has a cool tactical rail. If you want to put a bipod, or you're crazy and you put another scope there, just looking like a tactician. Okay, that is it for my gun. On to his.
This is the Rival XV700. It's a really good gun. It shoots far. For
over 100 feet.
Yeah. I would recommend it for you guys. So, thanks for watching.
Okay, so this is just an overview of the Nerf AccuStrike Alpha Hawk and the Rival XV700, aka the Apollo. And please subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to 5 cool tubers as well. Leave a link in the description down below, and thanks for watching.